Alright, this one I mostly consider as boss art. To be honest, out of all the dinosaurs I've drawn, I've never really drawn or recognized this dinosaur before. The name of this creature, the name of this predator is named Rajasaurus. Yeah, I know, it has a J in the name. I first saw this on Jurassic World the game, and well, when I first saw this creature, I thought it was really tough to take down. Too tough to take down. Because it was a super rare class. However, I think that this guy, well, considering its body design, it's actually I consider this as a piece of art in my eyes. Even if it is too tough to take on in battle. Doesn't it open your eyes and makes you feel deep down that this dinosaur may be what it would have been like in real life? That'd be something, huh? I mean, this creature would have been a very interesting angel that looked after its children. And mostly, I believe it lived in the mountains. Really gotta catch up on where it lived and where its records were shown. Anyway, I'm glad I got to draw this on. I'm glad I got to show it. I'm proud that I got to draw this for you guys. I mean, these animals have been around for millions of years, and hopefully there will be more prehistoric animals like this out there. I mean, I don't know how many are out there, but or what they look like, but this creature, this guy, I feel like this one just made my night. Yes, I know. I've continued to work on bigger pieces besides this. But, well, I wouldn't say besides this. I mean, this dinosaur is a beautiful angel that looks after its children. And I consider him on my top 10 prehistoric mountain dweller list. Anyway, that's all for now. Good night.